Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Reyes Skaters. My name is your host, Tommy KM. In today's video, I would like to give you guys my 2024 outlook on what's to come on my YouTube channel this month. Are we looking forward to a brand new portion on my YouTube channel? Are we looking forward to, what I'm looking forward to is graduating from the Excel Center. So that means I need you guys to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And a current subscriber goal I'm trying to get up to is 125. If you guys do that, that would be lovely. If you guys don't, that's okay. So, also there's like a lot of different areas that I think it's really kind of interesting that their radio frequencies are almost alike, okay? So let's just say you guys are going online, and then after that you guys say, hey, I'm going to visit, let's just say, we go here, I pulled up a document on here, a website that we like to use on my channel. It's radioreference.com, and we go here to Hardin County, and then after that we go on down, we see that Hardin County Sheriff's Office uses a 913 NAC. And their Hardin County Detention Center uses a 1 RAN on the NXDN. So if we look down here, Hardin County Fire Dispatch, 158.725, and then after that we go on down here to Rykoff. We got like police dispatch, we got police operations, we got fire dispatch, fire secretary backup, and then down here on the Fort Knox radio system, we got range control. So if we click on their system, they got military police, they got fire dispatch, they got fire ops 1, they even got fire auto dispatch. Now they also got mid-flight Adrian storage area. They even got Rangers operations. They even got, if we keep on going down, they got like Air Methodist that goes out there. They got the Kentucky EMA, which that's good. They even got checkpoints, so you guys can listen to that if you guys want to. But be aware, this thing uses the 300 millibytes. That means you guys will need a radio scanner that goes to that much millibytes. So if we click on Nevada, Lincoln County, we look here that they use different PL tone, multiple output PL tones. So we look Lincoln Sheriff 1, Lincoln Sheriff 2, Lincoln Sheriff SAR. They even got their own fire districts. Now this one is an interesting one. This one is the Area 51 radio system. the Nevada test and training range. So if we go on down, we look, we see that all their radio frequencies there are pretty much blocked. So that tells us one thing, that they do not want us to listen to that, or they're just being stubborn and they don't know us. Now, if I take you guys up here to the Boulder City area, they got Boulder City Grand Canyon airline operations. They even got air mobility. They got Class B airspace. They even got approach and departure. They got RAM control, which I listened to that. That's a good one. They even got Los Angeles Center. Now, these are all the airlines that goes through there. Promise me it's not a whole lot, but it is. They even got a couple of on here. Like they got the AirCod radio, which this one's used by Airport TBO. Now, Southwest uses their own radio system. And this is what that looks like. It's an entire DMR system. So that means whenever you guys type one of those in, you guys got to choose color code 10 or color code 7. Now, American Airlines, this is what theirs look like. These are what their radio frequencies look like. Allegiant Airlines uses DMR, so if you guys put in color code 8, talk group 1 with this radio frequency right here. Here's Clearlane, which all you guys gotta do is type that in. LAS PORS, this is what their radio frequencies look like. United Airways, they got LAS1 and LAS2. They got United Postal Service. They even got Virgin Atlantic. Now, you guys could also choose a very good option when you guys fly there. It's on a thing that's called Caesars Rewards Air. This thing is really kind of neat because they fly into this airport right here, the Laughlin Bullhead International Airport. So they got 1, 2, 3 aircraft information. They even got a fire dispatch. Now, up here they use a lot. Now, going back, they got so you guys are probably wondering, Tommy, so what does the Las Vegas, Nevada Corrections uses? Your good guess is mine. So they got their Department of Aviation. They even got the Parks Department. They got the College of... So this right here is like what the Las Vegas City Marshals look like. Las Vegas Detention Center, so they have operations and paging. They even got their patriotic police. Their water department, their miscellaneous, this is North Las Vegas Services. Here's North Las Vegas Fire. North Las Vegas Police, while though they are encrypted. Nye County, here's their bus system. Here's like Southern Nevada Health Department. Now to close you guys off with, I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite systems, which I hope they don't take it away, promise me. I don't think they will, just because I like to talk about it. So if we go on down here to Bloomington Metropolitan, they got these two radio frequencies that I love to listen to when I go there to Bloomington, because pretty much those radio frequencies are showing, that's what my TV looks like, that's what my computer is. That up there is showing like one of my favorite things. That over there is just a lovely painting from my mom, and here is another painting from my mom. And over there's quite a bit of mess, I know, I'll pick that up. And right over here, that's my calendar, and over there's just helping me become more independent. Alright guys, that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a yearly check-in on how my YouTube channel's doing. So I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another YouTube.